I went to get my cold knife, my half-inch cold knife. I was able to go all the way around this whole windshield. Got my setting block right there. So I'm not gonna need none of my battery operated stuff. I'll just be able to come through and do this whole thing manually. Yeah, y'all, one hand with the camera in the other. My tripod is broke. I'll be getting another one. Come through there. Be safe if I pull it out. Yeah. First, I think it might be out. Yeah, still got a piece. This corner right here. Yeah. Don't do this if you're not a professional. Just one-handed stuff. Now, let me put this down and get to work. So I was able to cut this out by hand. And I missed a couple clips, but I can take care of that. It's not too bad. I have a glue run. See that? That's too thin. You know, it's thick, then it's running good. Thin right there. I don't know what that is right there. Coming around. And it's running thin. I'm like, why is it running thin? Like, would it being skimpy on the glue or something? It was a bad day that day, but she didn't leak.